Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all data on your iPhone before selling it. If you're planning to sell, give away, or trade in your iPhone, it's very important to remove all your personal data so the next person cannot access your photos, messages, accounts, or files. Let's go step by step. First, back up your iPhone so you don't lose your data. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Next, tap iCloud Backup, and then tap Backup Now. Wait until the backup is finished before continuing. Once your data is backed up, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap General, then scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. On this page, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone will now show you a summary of what will be deleted, including your apps, photos, accounts, and settings. Tap Continue. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode and your Apple ID password to confirm. Your iPhone will then begin erasing all data and restoring itself to factory settings. The device will restart, and after a few minutes, it will return to the initial setup screen, just like when it was brand new. At this point, your iPhone is completely wiped and ready for the next owner. And that's it. That's how to delete all data on your iPhone before selling it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.